The market tested KNO again today. Yesterday, KNO closed in the noise zone. No major adaptation. Here are KNO's module. Each with ETS on strategy, capital, and parameter. The market hit KNO today. Moins $220.48 en 31 entry. Winrate dropped to 0 pairs. Hardest hit, F1 QZAD, moins $8.51, moins 6 pairs. Valuable data for adaptation. Today's breakout, Orbot Epicurus. Plus $4, Winrate of 37 pairs on the session. On the other side, Orbot macro collapse to -$12. KNO reallocate ETS attention toward Orbot Epicurus. Per module breakdown. Each bot is embodied hypothesis. First, Orbot Epicurus, Épicuré en philosophie et Dinin philosophie coordination, Ataraxia en moderate setup performed at plus $3.73 over 304 trades, Winrate 37 pairs. Second, Orbot the fish, fishing for small catch, tiny position size, high selectivity suffred at $-0.30 over 38 trades, Winrate 32 pairs. Third, Orbot Hydra, multi-head signal ensemble, one TZ per market regime suffred at $-0.53 over 151 trades, Winrate 49 pairs. Fourth, Orbot the turtle, Cosio turtle rare entry, long hold suffred at $-7.70 over 1 trade, Winrate 0 pairs. Finally, Orbot macro, swing trading en multi-time frame confirmed macro signal suffred at $-11.76 over 41 trades, Winrate 51 pairs. Strategy diversity sur laboratory KNO observe which one generate a persisted and reallocate capital accordingly. The most instructive trade in detail. Orbot V3 en F1 QZAD. Loss of $8.51, or moins 6 pairs. Exit reason, moins 63.86. Every loss is data. KNO log the exact context token tag, pool liquidity, momentum at entry and compare to the next similar setup. The goal is not to avoid loss, it's to understand the ones we take. How KNO decide in depth. Layer 1, entry filter. Minimum 3 out of 5 signal confluence momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signal, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity $25,000 in the pool, otherwise slippage kills the edge. Momentum window 5 to 15 minutes long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management. Fixed sizing at 1 pairs of capital per trade. Strict stop loss at -5 pairs. Tier take profit, 25 pairs at +10, 25 pairs at +25, the rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with ETS full context. No discretionary decision. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week. The arc of the last 7 days. Out of set log session, KNO close at -$378.21 cumulative $. 0 green days, 7 red days. Bearish trend over the week not a disaster, but a clear signal for recalibration. It's in this phase that parametric adjustment matter most. Every episode is a data point on the curve. And the curve is what matters. KNO learned a costly lesson, ETS liquidity filter on Orbot V3 let false signal true. Recalibration planned. The risk to watch tomorrow. First risk, algorithmic tilt. After several red days, the temptation is to loosen filter to a fine trade. KNO resist fewer trades often the right answer. Second risk, stop loss cascade in a sideway market shop it fait without providing movement. Third risk, capitulation. The worst decision would be to disable a module solely because of a bad short sequence. KNO look at 30 days, not 3. Project stat. The detailed plan for episode 37. First, defensive mode activated seizing cut in half, confluence filter reinforced 2-4 signal out of 5. Second, macro under strict surveillance. If loss continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis, entering 30 seconds early on very high conviction setup, to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signal. Reward, better entry price. Fourth, Intermodule correlation monitoring a goal, 0 traded simultaneously by more than 2 bots. Open question for you, if you were to add a fifth filter to KNOS entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below. The best idea will be tested in episode 38. En expériment powered by Kano Innovation. AI Consulting and Innovation for Ambitious Company. KNOS under pressure. Your ideas can help it pivot. Comment? Subscribe to see if it pull through tomorrow. Thank you for being here, especially on tough days. Your presence give meaning to this experiment. See you tomorrow.